Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. So as promised, we got the Fender Eliminator kit. Just came in yesterday. This is how it looks right now. Got that Fender on there. Ran to AutoZone. Got a little bit of Allen key whatever tools to unscrew these out and under the seat and get that replaced with this. And yeah, I'll show you guys the after results, but this is how it looks right now. First thing I did is found the right size for these, and unscrewing these 4 bolts right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna disconnect these 3, the power lines. So one is brake light and 2 turn signals. So I'm gonna get these twisted off, so you can already see starting to move. And take this thing off finally. This is how it looks, guys, with no fender at all. I love it, but obviously we can't run it like this. But God, you can see the tire now. You can see like the suspension. It was blocking off everything. It looks so nice. What do you guys think? But yeah, about to install the fender right here and we'll be all done. Honestly, the hardest part so far was just unplugging the cables. They were a little like stuck in there, but other than that, it's been smooth so far. All right, guys, so got the fender on. Biggest struggle was maybe turn signals, to take those off, put the license plate light back on, put it through there, put the new screws in here, buckled all these up, about to connect these back, hide them all in there, and I think we're good to go. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Much better than that tail right there. All right, guys, we just got everything all buckled up. We're about to test it out. So we got right signal working. That was already on, I guess. And then got left signal is all good. Got brake lights, which I didn't really touch. We got the license plate light, which that's all good to go as well. So yeah, that's Fender Eliminator on 2022 Ninja 400. If you guys enjoyed, give it a like, subscribe, and GoPro coming soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Got my buddy that helped me out installing the Fender. He's about to head out, so thank you to him. And yeah, sharing a clip while he leaves for you guys.